Good morning, everybody. It's time to wake up and let's do our makeup. Welcome back to my channel. This is Stephanie. I'm also known as GENGLOW. Thank you for joining me here today. It is pretty chilly today, so I'm wearing a sweater, and yeah, so this is keeping me warm. So thank you for joining me here today. We're about to do the Makeup Monday Ladies video. There's also other ladies that are participating in Makeup Monday Ladies. I'll be putting their channels down below in my description area, or their mentioned name. You can always click on their mentioned names in the description area, or you can always click on the hashtag that is, in the title of my description, and it'll take you straight to their videos. So thank you for those who are new to my channel. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate you guys for doing that, and I'm glad that my content is something you'd want to watch. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and then also hit the notification bell and give my video a thumbs up. And for those who are returning subscribers, welcome. Thank you for being here and being usual supporters of my channel. Really do appreciate you guys for being here all these years. So yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and do a look using the Four Seasons Pressed Pigment Palette by Faiza Riady Cosmetics. As y'all know, that Faiza Riady Cosmetics was one of my favorite formulas, and it still is. So I got this in one of my Slay Glam boxes when they were still giving them out. I don't know if they still are or not, but I had the opportunity of getting this bag, and these are the shades that are in this palette. Really simple shades. It's going to be a simple look today. It's going to be like a three eyeshadow look, like a 3 color pan eyeshadow look, and of course it's probably going to be the ones in the blues. I'm going to create a winter icy blue icy blue color, using the blue side of the palette, for winter. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I went ahead and I swatched all the shimmers and most of the mattes. So this top shimmer here is the one for the winter, the blue one. The very top shimmer is the one for the winter. And then you have 3 more shimmers underneath that. And after those 3 more shimmers, then you get into your matte. So you have a green matte, then you have a darker blue, then you have a lighter green, a lighter blue, then you have a brown, and then you have an orange. So those are all the colors that are in this palette. Well, not all of them, just most of the ones, because there's still pink in here as well. But yeah, I'm not going to create a winter eye look using the pink shadows. Like I had said before, I associate winter with blue or white shades. But this palette is pretty simple and easy to use. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and create a winter eye look with this palette. And as you can tell, the shimmer, as you can tell from the shimmer at the top, is very icy. It's like an icy blue color. So I'll be doing that. I'll be using that as the shimmer topper. So let's go ahead and get started with this look. Hope you guys have a wonderful morning, and I hope you have a good rest of the day. Okay. Alright, so let me know what y'all did this weekend. Do you have any plans going on for this upcoming week? Any plans next week? Yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. So I'm going to go in with this shade called Denim, which is this light blue shade here at the top. I'm going to go in with that in the crease. And I'm using a small blending brush here, fluffy blending brush, and it's by the Perfusions brand. That's the brand of brush I'll be using. And I'm going to start on the outer corner and then into the crease. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful blue. A beautiful blue color. So Makeup Monday, ladies, is for everybody. It's supposed to allow you to have fun, get out of your comfort zone, or even create a very nice look that you just been dying to use. An eyeshadow palette, or even, do like a makeup hack that you want to share with us. Makeup Monday, ladies, can be anything from eyeshadow looks to how you apply your makeup. So that's just a little bit of what Makeup Monday, ladies, is about. So hope you guys are able to, able to understand and enjoy this video. I'm noticing that my eyebrows don't look like they're shaped how I want them to be, but that's okay, guys. That is okay. That is okay. So I'm still going with that shade denim, and I'm just buffing that shade more and out above because I have a hooded eye. So this is also a hooded eye tutorial. You always want to go above that hood, to see the color that's peeking through on the crease. All right, the next shade I want to go ahead and use is gonna be this shade called Winter. It is really nice blue shade, and it's a matte shade, so it's the one I put on, which is denim. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade Winter, and I'm gonna go in with a more smaller brush. And here we go. Now I'm using that on the outer corner and into the crease, just kind of blending those shades together. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is going to be like a monochromatic look. Go back in with the shade Denim, and I will be going back and retracing those steps back and forth to mix in with the shade Winter. Go back with Winter. Now we'll kind of deepen the outer corner as well. Kind of accentuate and give me like a precise definition for my outer V. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So I will be doing a Tuesday trash talk. So I'll be doing my skincare while I do my trash talk on Tuesday, so I can go over my bin. It's not that high of stuff to share with you guys, but I think it's time for me to go ahead and share it with you guys on Tuesday. So there we have the Winter shade on the outer corner and giving me that nice definition. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and go in with the with the topper shade, which is the very nice shimmer. And I think I'm going to wet the brush because swatching it on my hand, it looks like it comes on a little light. And I really do want it to come on very vibrant. So wetting the brush seems to help a lot whenever you're doing these types of looks. So I'm going to go ahead and wet the brush. You can reach over here for my setting spray. I'm going to use my Milk Makeup setting spray. This is part of my panning project. So I'll be using that. And I'm going to wet my brush. I use a flat packing brush like this. This is a really good brush for whenever you want to pack on color on the lid. And it's just, you're not blending or anything, you're just packing it on. You know, it's just something to pack on. Give a really nice, precise line. I do recommend a flat-sided brush like this, a flat packing brush. So I'm going to go in with that shade Icicle. Oh, here it is. I was covering the cover here. So I'm going to go in with the shade called Icicle, which is the middle shimmer right here. Be able to see that. And as you can tell, I already have all my complexion products on. I had already primed my eyes even before coming on camera. So, stay tuned to my panning projects. I have to do an update on my Partners in Cream for 2025, guys. We're starting a new year and a new panning project for 2025. Very nice. So I hope you stay notified. So make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload that video. And then you get a chance to see my update and the products that I decided to keep for 2025 to continue on my panning project. And then I'll be giving you every month an update on how far along I've gone with my products. I think it's fun and it's liberating whenever you finish a product out. I think I had a very good successful year last month in December, when I actually, you know, when I actually showed you my winter palettes, and I also showed you all the empties for the rest of the year. I know it was a long video, and it's because I did use up a lot of product. So this is the way this eye is looking. So I'm going to go ahead and go back with the shade Denim. And I will be using that all up here above the crease. So this is a winter monochromatic blue eyeshadow shade using this very popular Four Seasons palette by the Subscription Sisters and Rasha B Cosmetics. So I'll be creating this look with you guys. All right, I'm gonna come off camera, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. All right, everybody. So this is my finishing look. Using my Four Seasons palette, I went ahead and put it back here, my little area here where I have my winter palettes, you know, ones that I like, you know, the formulas, you know. So what do you think? Did you like the monochromatic look? I loved it. I enjoyed it. It was easy, fun, and easy to go along with. You could have also created a halo eye with it, which means, you know, where, you know, I had used the the shimmer in the inner corner going towards the center of the eye, just to kind of give me like a gradient look, because that's what I did in this look. I did like a more gradient look, And then as I was doing the other eye, I was thinking, well, I could have probably done like a halo eye where the shimmer would have been the center of attraction, just right in the center of the eye. So that's another look that you can create with that monochromatic eyeshadows. What I like about these blue eyeshadows is that you're able to differentiate the shimmer and the two mattes that are in the palette for this color for winter. And I try to do my best to kind of accessorize and kind of go along with the theme here that I have going on with my eyeshadows. So I hope I did y'all justice, or I did it justice. Please leave me your comments down below. Let me know, do you have this palette? You know, do you like Raw Should Be Cosmetics? Yeah, let me know if you ever had the Slay Glam box subscription before. I know there was, you know, people on the fence about it. People, you know, had some experiences that they didn't like with Slay Glam boxes, and had some issues. But I never had an issue with them. And as far as my part goes, on my end, I never had an issue. I've always had my product come on time. I've always had my product come in good condition. I just never had any issues with them. So I was really satisfied with Slay Glam box. So this is just an oldie but goodie eyeshadow palette I want to share with you guys that I felt that would be good, you know, to create another look for the winter time, you know. So yeah, thank you for being here today, and don't forget to check out the lovely ladies who will be creating looks this week or this Monday, and check out the looks that they created. All right, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye.